Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Journals how to fix Instagram message unsend option not showing. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First open Instagram, tap and hold. Tap and app information. Delete player storage and player keys. Click on permission. Enable all permission allow. Open Play Store and search Instagram. And Instagram update check. Open Instagram and click on message. So finally answer option 3. Thank you.